Hi, so this is my program, the meeting coordinator program. I thought of this idea when working in a group, and one of the big difficulties with group work is finding a time for everyone to meet because we all have different schedules and it can be hard to find those common times when everyone's available. So I created this program to help make that task of finding a meeting time a little bit easier. To do it, I created a database with 3 different tables. The first table is the member table, and it just holds all the group members with their name and their ID, which is just an auto-incremented number. And then there's a table for hours, which just holds a day of the week, and then an hour of that day, and then an ID for that time slot. And then there's a linking table between the two, which is member has availability, which just holds the member's ID and then that hour ID where they have an availability. So when I run this, the user is given options on what they want to do. Here's the code for that. So I can display the members, and I've already put a few members in. So that table is already filled with a few. So here are those members. And then if I want to view what times they have available that I've already put in, I can display the member hours. And that's option 5. So if I run that, here's all their hours. And you'll notice that for each of the 4 members, I have Monday at 6 available. So that's pretty easy to see, but if there were a lot more members and more times in here, it would be a little bit difficult. So this feature allows me to find just the times that all the members have in common and to display those. So when that runs, here it shows all the available times for everyone, Monday at 6. And so if we had more times up here that were in common, those would also display, such as, if we added Tuesday at 9 for all the other members, that would show up there too. You can also add a new member, and that just inserts into the member table. Let's do Sue. Let's see. There. And then I can display that, and Sue is there with her own ID. And I can also delete, say that was an accidental one. I just want to delete Sue and display that again, and she's gone. So let's see what else. Also, if I want to add a time for a member, I have that function. So say Bob is also available on Friday. Friday at 3. Then if I displayed all the member hours again, there, Bob has 2 times in there. All right, and there's also a feature to delete all the data. That's mostly for this testing purposes. In case anything crashed, I can just delete the tables and start over again. Well, and that is my project. Thanks for watching.